DJI has once again raised the bar with the new O4 Air Unit series. Combining cutting-edge video transmission, exceptional image quality, and unmatched versatility, the O4 series promises to be a game-changer for drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into everything this system has to offer. Whether you're an adrenaline-fueled racer or a filmmaker chasing the perfect shot, this system is built for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The DJI O4 Air Unit is all about portability and performance. Weighing just 8.2 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, making it a perfect fit for smaller, more agile drone builds. But if you need even more imaging power, the O4 Air Unit Pro is your go-to. Weighing in at 32 grams and featuring a larger 1x1.3-inch sensor for pro-level video capabilities. Both units feel solid and well-built, with excellent heat dissipation design. The Pro version is slightly larger, but the extra features it brings more than make up for the added size. DJI has clearly engineered these units for serious FPV pilots. Now, let's see what this thing can do. The standard O4 Air Unit captures video at 4K 60 FPS, while the Pro version steps it up with 4K 120 FPS and 10-bit D-Log-M for richer colors and better post-production flexibility. The results speak for themselves. The footage from the standard unit is sharp, smooth, and vibrant. But the Pro version takes it to the next level. The 1.3-inch sensor brings more detail and depth, and the ultra-wide FOV captures so much more of the scene. Plus, the D-Log-M mode makes it easy to tweak colors and achieve a cinematic look in post-production. Video transmission is where DJI truly shines. With H.265 encoding, the O4 Air Unit series supports 1080p at 100 FPS with a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers. And with a latency as low as 15 milliseconds, what you see is practically instantaneous. Even in challenging environments with potential interference, the O4 system held steady. The dual antenna design on the Pro version further enhances range and stability, making it ideal for long-range flights or crowded race conditions. Speaking of racing, the new racing mode is a standout feature. With latency as low as 15 milliseconds and support for up to 8 aircraft simultaneously, the O4 series makes competitive racing faster, smoother, and more immersive. Whether you're flying solo or competing with friends, the O4 Air Unit ensures that every twist, turn, and dive is as responsive as it gets. Now, let's talk about accessories. The O4 Air Unit Pro is compatible with DJI's ND filter set, which is perfect for controlling exposure in bright conditions. These filters allow you to achieve natural motion blur and make your footage pop. Both units also work seamlessly with DJI Goggles 3 and Goggles N3, giving you crisp, real-time visuals and customizable OSD options so you can see the flight data that matters most to you. So, who should consider the DJI O4 Air Unit series? If you're an FPV racer, the ultra-low latency and racing mode make it a must-have. Freestyle pilots will love the lightweight design and versatility, while cinematic drone enthusiasts will appreciate the Pro's 4K 120 FPS and wide dynamic range. The standard unit is perfect for lightweight setups and still delivers exceptional quality. But if you're looking for the ultimate FPV experience, the Pro version's enhanced imaging and extended features are worth every penny. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're racing, freestyling, or creating cinematic content, the DJI O4 Air Unit series has something for everyone. If you're ready to upgrade your FPV game, this is the system to get. What feature of the DJI O4 Air Unit series are you most excited about? Let us know below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth drone reviews and tips.